Late entry, big ambition. South Korea didn't start with supercars. It started with ideas. Before speed records or production reality, this era was about learning, design, and proving intent. Let's begin with the foundation and concept era, 1990 to 2005. Hyundai Scoop concept. Early performance thinking. This concept represented Hyundai's first serious look at sporty proportions and performance identity. Focused more on layout, styling, and youthful intent than outright speed. It explored how a Korean brand could move beyond economy cars toward aspirational performance design. Hyundai HCD2 Coupe concept, design and performance groundwork. Developed as a forward-looking design study, this concept emphasized aerodynamics, driver-focused interiors, and emerging performance cues. While never intended for production, it helped establish Hyundai's confidence in blending bold styling with performance-oriented thinking. Moving on to the global performance awakening era, 2006 to 2012. Hyundai Tiburon V6 GT, borderline performance benchmark. This model marked a clear step towards serious performance intent. With a more powerful V6, improved chassis tuning, and aggressive styling, it aimed to challenge established sports coupes. While still accessible and practical, it showed Korea's growing confidence in building performance-oriented machines. Hyundai Genesis Coupe, top performance trims, borderline inclusion. This platform represented a turning point in ambition. Rear-wheel drive, stronger engines, and balanced handling signaled a shift toward enthusiast-focused engineering. Though not a full supercar, it laid the technical and philosophical foundation for Korea's future high-performance programs. Continuing with the N and motorsports DNA era, 2013 to 2018, Hyundai RM14/RM16 concept. Built as rolling laboratories, these mid-engine concepts shifted development from theory to real track testing. Lightweight construction, aggressive aerodynamics, and race-focused layouts allowed engineers to experiment with balance, cooling, and power delivery. They marked the moment Korea began learning supercar behavior through motorsport-driven iteration. Hyundai RM19 midship prototype. This prototype pushed the program closer to production reality. With a more powerful drivetrain and refined chassis dynamics, it focused on durability, thermal management, and high-speed stability. While never released to the public, it represented South Korea's most serious internal step toward true supercar engineering. Progressing to the supercar intent and electrification era, 2019 to 2022. Hyundai Envision 74. This concept signaled a bold shift toward future-facing performance. Combining retro-inspired design with advanced electrified power concepts, it explored how hydrogen and electric technologies could deliver supercar-level excitement. It became a statement of intent rather than a finished product. Genesis X, Speedium Coupe concept. This design study introduced a luxury-led interpretation of high performance. Focused on aerodynamics, proportions, and grand touring presence, it blended speed with elegance. It showed how Genesis could approach supercar aesthetics through refinement rather than aggression. Genesis X concept, performance-focused variants. These variants expanded the vision further, experimenting with electric performance layouts and futuristic design language. Rather than chasing numbers, they explored how advanced technology and luxury could coexist in a next-generation performance platform. Finally, we move into the future hypercar direction, 2023 to present. Hyundai Envision 74, production intent phase. This phase transforms a bold concept into a credible performance direction. Refinement now centers on real-world drivability, thermal management, and advanced electrified systems. It represents South Korea's most concrete step yet toward delivering a true next-generation supercar experience. Genesis Magma Program, Hyper-Performance Roadmap. This initiative defines the brand's long-term performance ambitions. Focused on extreme output, advanced materials, and track-capable engineering, it establishes a structured path toward hyper-performance models. Hyundai RN22E/NEV Hyper-Performance Platform. This platform serves as a rolling testbed for electric performance at the limit. High-output electric drivetrains, torque vectoring systems, and chassis experimentation drive lessons directly into future production.